DJI drones might soon be banned in the United States, and even right now, getting your hands on one isn't exactly easy. Stores are running low, and shipping times are getting longer. If you're in the US and looking to keep flying without worrying about bans or supply issues, it's time to look at some solid non-DJI alternatives. In this video, we're diving into the best options available in 2025 that deliver great features, reliability, and fun without being DJI. First up is the Potensic Atom 2, a beginner-friendly drone that feels a lot like DJI's Mini series, especially the Mini 4K. It's priced at $359 for the drone alone and weighs less than 250 grams. That's a big deal because in the US, that means you don't need to register it for recreational flights. The Atom 2 shoots 4K video at 30 frames per second, giving you decent image quality and flight times perfect for casual flying or learning the ropes. It has GPS, standard smart features, and even subject tracking, a feature the DJI Mini 4K doesn't have. It's not a professional filmmaking drone, but with some practice, you can get some really impressive shots. Reviewers who were skeptical at first are now calling it a solid, fun, and reliable drone that offers great value. On top of that, there's a free 45-minute drone filmmaking training that covers everything from camera settings and smooth cinematic movements to shot composition, lighting, and even editing tips. If you're just starting out, this is a fantastic way to level up your footage quickly. Next, if automated filming is more your style, the HoverAir X1 series might be exactly what you need. These are follow-me drones, designed to capture you in motion without you having to pilot them constantly. Think of them as alternatives to DJI's Neo and Flip drones. The series includes the X1 at $279, the X1 Pro at $499 with 4K at 60 frames per second, and the X1 Pro Max at $699 with 8K at 30 frames per second plus 4K HDR. The X1 Pro Max was tested by the creator, and it impressed with excellent image quality, strong subject tracking, and smart automated flight modes that make filming almost effortless. The only downside? The control range is limited to about 1,000 feet, so it's better for close-range action than long-distance aerial shots. But if you're capturing sports, running, biking, or any activity up close, this drone is a fantastic pick. And then, the Anti-Gravity A1 drone is an innovative drone that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it a standout option for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. Its design is sleek and futuristic, reflecting its advanced capabilities and making it a visually appealing gadget. One of the most impressive features of the Anti-Gravity A1 is its dual camera system. It is equipped with cameras on both the top and bottom, allowing users to capture stunning aerial footage from multiple angles. This unique setup also enables the drone to automatically remove itself from the footage, creating invisible drone shots that are perfect for cinematic video content. With this feature, users can reframe their shots during post-production, giving them more creative freedom and professional-looking results. The drone is lightweight and portable, designed for easy transport and quick setup. Its stability in the air ensures smooth and steady video capture, even in slightly windy conditions. The Anti-Gravity A1 also features intelligent flight modes, including automatic takeoff and landing, obstacle avoidance, and waypoint navigation. These functions make flying safer and more intuitive, especially for those new to drones. Battery life is impressive, allowing for longer flight sessions and more time to capture aerial footage. The drone is also compatible with a dedicated mobile app, providing users with real-time video feed, flight data, and easy control of camera settings. Overall, the Anti-Gravity A1 drone is a remarkable combination of advanced technology and user-focused design. Its ability to deliver high-quality aerial footage, along with unique features like automatic self-removal from videos, makes it an excellent choice for content creators, hobbyists, and anyone looking to explore the possibilities of drone photography and videography. So, Whether you're a beginner looking for something fun and easy, someone who wants hands-free follow-me filming, or a creator chasing mind-blowing cinematic effects, there are great non-DJI drones ready to fly in 2025. With these options, you can keep filming, experimenting, and creating amazing aerial footage, even as DJI faces challenges in the US market. Which drone do you want us to cover in the next video? Should we explore the latest DJI models, see new non-DJI alternatives, or dive into futuristic drones like the anti-gravity A1? Comment below with your choice, and we'll feature it in our upcoming video for an in-depth look. Let's talk about DJI ban issue.
DJI Drone Ban USA 2026. Full FCC overview of affected manufacturers. With the December 22, 2025 deadline approaching, many drone users are asking which manufacturers will be most impacted by the upcoming US FCC restrictions. The ban mainly affects companies that are unable to secure FCC authorization for new drone models after December 23, 2025. While some brands face major disruption, others are only lightly impacted or completely unaffected. Most affected: high market share foreign manufacturers. DJI is by far the most impacted manufacturer. As the dominant player in the US drone market, holding an estimated 70% market share, DJI faces a complete halt on new drone approvals. While existing models will remain legal to use and sell until stock runs out, no new products will be cleared through FCC registration. This will cause rapid stock depletion and significantly impact consumer, commercial, industrial, and enterprise users. With no exemptions expected in the near future, DJI's US presence will be severely reduced. Autel Robotics is also heavily affected. With approximately 5 to 10% market share, Autel faces similar FCC clearance issues. Although smaller than DJI, Autel's strong focus on enterprise, surveying, and professional applications means the proportional impact could be just as damaging. Least affected manufacturers. Several foreign manufacturers are considered less affected due to smaller market presence or limited US exposure. These include Parrot, Unique, Potensic, Holy Stone, Wingtra, and Sensefly. While some of these brands may experience delays or limitations in FCC approvals, their overall business impact is expected to be moderate compared to DJI and Autel. Not affected: US-based manufacturers. US-based drone companies remain fully unaffected by the ban. Manufacturers such as Skydio, Brink, Teal Drones, AeroVironment, FreeFly Systems, Hylio, and Zipline continue to meet regulatory requirements and can freely launch new products in the US market. Overall, the ban is set to reshape the US drone industry, accelerating the shift toward domestic manufacturers while sharply limiting major Chinese brands. From the US government's point of view, any foreign-made device that uses wireless communication can be seen as a potential national security concern. This concern becomes stronger when a single foreign company dominates a large share of the market, as DJI does in the consumer and professional drone space. These worries are the context behind the FCC's covered list, which is designed to restrict future authorization of communications equipment from companies considered potential security risks. It is important to understand what this decision does and does not mean. Being added to the covered list does not make existing DJI products illegal. No drones are being removed from store shelves, and no currently owned drones are affected. All DJI drones that already received FCC approval remain fully approved, legal to sell, legal to own, and legal to fly. There is no grounding of drones, no firmware updates that disable features, no GPS blocking, and no forced shutdowns. DJI drones will continue to operate normally. Users can still register DJI drones with the FAA, receive official registration numbers, and fly in controlled airspace with LAANC approval. For everyday pilots, nothing changes. Day-to-day drone operations remain exactly the same. The real impact is focused on the future. The FCC decision is forward-looking, not retroactive. New DJI drones that require fresh FCC authorization could face delays, additional scrutiny, or even denial. This creates uncertainty around future DJI product launches in the US, potentially leading to delayed or staggered releases compared to other markets. However, this does not mean DJI is banned in the United States. Alternative paths may still exist, such as reusing previously approved radio modules or adjusting hardware designs to meet requirements. These options are not guaranteed, but they remain possible.